Hello, awesome people, welcome to a new video. In this video we'll learn how to add an external affiliate product with WooCommerce. Maybe you have a question, what is affiliate product? Actually, you have to give the product information in your website. If any user want to purchase it and click on purchase, then the user will be redirected in another website. Finally, if the users will purchase this product, then you will get commission, and it's called affiliate product. In this tutorial we will add this type of external affiliate product. Okay, so but before jump into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks. And it inspired me to make this type of helpful video for WordPress learners and WordPress users as well. Okay, let's get started. Go to the admin dashboard. I hope already you have installed and activated the WooCommerce plugin. After installing and activating the WooCommerce plugin, WooCommerce and product option will be added in left side menu. You can see already I have installed WooCommerce plugin, so WooCommerce and products are showing in left side menu. So in this tutorial I want to add a external affiliate product, so hover on product and click on add new product. I have to give the product name or product title here, so I want to affiliate this product. This is the product from Amazon website, so I can copy this product title from here, then paste here. Okay, then the product description, just copy from this description, copy it and paste here as well. Then the scroll down and product data, which is very important settings for this product, so you have to click this down arrow, click here, then select external affiliate product. You have to select it. Okay, then you can see product URL. You have to give the product URL here. So again go to the Amazon website, and this is my product which I want to affiliate. So click and select this product URL, copy it and paste it. Okay, button text, buy product, I want to give like buy from Amazon. Buy from Amazon website. Okay, I want to show it. Then the regular price, let's check it. Their regular price is like this, just copy and paste it, and currently they don't offer any sale price. Okay, so it's final. And scroll down, if you want then you can give here short description, it's optional, but like I want to give some short description, only give it. Okay, let's copy it and paste it, and from the just scroll up, then from here right side you can see product image. You have to give a product image here, so click over here, set product image, then you can select image from the media library. I want to upload from my computer, so this is the product, open, and from the left side bottom, from the right side bottom, click set product image. Then again scroll down and you can see product categories. Already you have added product categories, then you can select from here, or you can add a new category here, like I want to give like here the iPhone. Okay, then click over here, add new category. If you want, then you can add tag for here like iPhone, then Apple phone, smartphone. Okay, so you can add text from here, then click add. Okay, scroll off and finally publish it. Now let's check how does it work. So visit the product. Okay, scroll down, then you can see this is the button, it has some issue. Okay, let me some time, I will fix it right now. Okay, I have fixed the button style issue. You can see now it looks like better. Buy from Amazon website. Okay, let's check it again from the dashboard. So go to the dashboard and you can see button text. This is the product data, and button text buy from Amazon website. Already I have given it and it shows over here. Okay, so if any user try to purchase the product from here, then the user will redirect to the Amazon website. Okay, let's try it. So just click over here, Okay, you can see it redirect to the Amazon page. Now if user product now if the users purchase the product from here, then this site owner will get a commission. Okay, it's called the external affiliate product. So in this tutorial we have learned how to add external affiliate product with WooCommerce. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks.